Welcome to WebStylePress. XAMPP is PHP web development environment that allows you to create web applications with Apache, PHP, and MySQL database. It comes with PHP MyAdmin to manage databases easily as well. Search for XAMPP and you will find its website. Go to download area and download it. I am downloading it for Windows. In fact, I have already downloaded it. Let's install it. Okay. User account control UAC on your system. Because of that, some functions of XAMPP are possibly restricted with UAC. Please avoid installing XAMPP to C drive. Okay. So I want to install it in E drive. Instead of C, let's change it E and then hit next. XAMPP folder was created here. So we have just installed XAMPP. This is XAMPP folder. And here we see htdocs. This is root directory for this web server. We will place our projects or PHP file in this folder. This is where localhost will point to. I will create a folder here named as projects, and here WSP1, that's one folder or one project, and then this is the second one, WSP2. I have got this PHP file here. Let's copy it in our projects folder here. Let's name it index.php. This index.php has got one line of PHP code, that is PHP info. So to run this server, go to start from Windows and then search for or type XAMPP. Here we see XAMPP control panel. Click it and here we see this XAMPP control panel. We will click at these two buttons for Apache and MySQL. Start Apache and start MySQL. And now our web server is running. Now go to your favorite web browser and go to localhost. Localhost, and here we see XAMPP default page. Here also we have got PHP MyAdmin. At this location, we will have our databases. We can create our own database from here, databases, and from databases tab, test db, we can create a new database. Click at this create button and here we've got our new database. So this is default page for XAMPP. If we want to run this file, we will go to projects. From here, localhost/projects, and here we see our projects folders that we created. Let's click here WSP1, and here as you can see PHP is being executed from this page. Echo WebStylePress, and let's make it bigger. Save, refresh, and here we see our text. And now if we stop these two services, Apache and MySQL, then this page won't run anymore. Refresh. And now localhost is not connected. After we have used XAMPP, we will stop these services and then we will click at this quit button. This will properly shut down XAMPP. Don't forget to properly shut down XAMPP by quitting it after you have done your work. Otherwise, it may give you some kind of error. If you click at that quit button and it gives you error, you should go to XAMPP folder, and then for these three exes, you should click at properties, go to compatibility, and then hit this run this program as an administrator. Check this box. For example, if I uncheck this box and apply, same for this one, and for control.exe. Let's run XAMPP again. Start the service, start MySQL, refresh the page. Now this page is working, and now stop this service and now hit this quit button. You see this error, can't create file. Okay, this is an application error. Okay, close it, close the program. So to avoid this error, run this program under administrative privilege. Let's run it again. XAMPP, start services. Our page is working. Stop the services, and then localhost will not be connected now. And then let's quit it. Now it is gone gracefully without any error. So with XAMPP, you get this folder htdocs. This is your root directory. Create a main folder here and place your projects inside it. So this is how you install XAMPP, run XAMPP, and shut it down when you are done working with it. Okay, I hope this video helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.